The suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu has sounded a chilling alarm, warning that the government party is edging dangerously close to collapse and that the 2026 local government elections could be last chance at its survival. Speaking at the tombstone unveiling of anti-apartheid activist Nohamba Nyawo in Machobeni, KwaZulu-Natal over the weekend, Mchunu likened the ANC to a person walking on the edge of a cliff, cautioning that unless leaders act decisively, the party may soon plunge into political oblivion. He said if we fail in next year's municipal elections, we must kiss power goodbye. In our current state, we will not survive the next national polls. We became arrogant and took people for granted. They punished us, but there's still time to change course. Mchunu's remarks comes at a time of a mounting turbulence within the African National Congress. The party's support base is eroding. Internal fractures are deepening and trust in its leadership has reached historic lows. In the May 2024 national elections, the ANC lost its parliamentary majority for the first time since 1994, forcing it into fragile coalition arrangements. The growing discontent is not confined to voters. Earlier this month, ANC Youth League President Colin Malaju lambasted the party's leadership for losing its moral compass and said the ANC's name has become a symbol of corruption, broken promises, and failed service delivery, highlighting the generational fault lines shaking the movement. Mchunu himself is no stranger to controversy. He's currently on special leave following explosive allegations from KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Ndedla Mkhwanazi, who accused him of interfering in police operations for political ends. Mchunu sidestepped those claims at the weekend, saying only "I am ready to speak" when hearings into the matter begin. Yet, even as Mchunu painted a grim picture, KwaZulu-Natal ANC coordinator Mike Mabuyakhulu sought to project confidence. He insisted that the party is working robustly to rebuild public trust. Said we don't want coalitions, we want to lead alone again. The mural for Nyawo, who sheltered Umkhonto weSizwe cadres during apartheid, was a poignant reminder of the ANC's liberation heritage. But for many in attendance, the contrast between that legacy and today's embattled ruling party underscored how far it has drifted from its revolutionary ideals. With just 2 years before South Africans returned to the polls for local government elections, Mchunu warning was stark: unless the ANC reforms, it risks fading into history. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.